Verification processes can help companies ensure that their users are legitimate and compliant with regulations while protecting them from fraudulent activities. The top categories of verification are individuals, businesses, assets, documents. Some of the prominent verification activities include individual identity verification, enterprise identity verification, background verification, asset verification, verification for loan process, verification for insurance, any other document verification. Verification management is a tedious process. Let's identify the major challenges: creation of customized processes, creation of data sets, getting timely and authentic data, customer-specific reporting, data consolidation and segregation, manual reporting, territory-based work allocation, lack of status updates, difficulty to meet the SLAs. Luckily, Effort, the no-code DIY SaaS platform, is here to help you. Effort is designed to assist companies to facilitate the collection of specific datasets to cater to various customer needs and digitize the entire process. Some of the outstanding features of Effort: automated job allocation, digitized customizable processes, geointelligence, geofencing, real-time image capture, API integration, agent monitoring, timely notifications and updates, adaptability to norms for data collection, build rules for accessibility. Our clients have observed changes after implementing Effort: 36% improvement in productivity, 42% improvement in adherence to the SLA, 52% improvement in TAT for verification, 80% reduction in escalations. Effort is built to benefit all the stakeholders. Employees' jobs are simplified with streamlined and digitized work. Managers can review instantly and plan the tasks efficiently. Customers benefits from successful ETAs and SLAs. Companies benefit from happy customers and growing business. Raise service requests through multiple channels: phone, email, IoT devices. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with Effort.